Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of December. And first of all, national news. Cyclone Michong, Air Force, Navy step in for relief and rescue operations. Center blocked over 100 websites involved in job frauds. Government Council weighed in Supreme Court about guidelines on seizure of personal electronic devices. ZPM leader Laldu Homa met Mizoram governor to stake claim to form government. Kavach has been deployed in 3 sections in South Central Zone, Railway Minister. PM Modi paid tribute to Ambedkar on death anniversary. Government studying equivalence of post in central jobs for OBC recruitment. Ladakh introduced new technology to cultivate vegetables in harsh conditions, MHA informed Rajya Sabha. BJP MPs, including union ministers elected to assemblies, quit parliament, likely to join state governments. Now, international news. Swaths of Siberia freeze in temperatures below minus 58 degrees Celsius. Ex-PM, UK PM Boris Johnson deeply sorry for COVID victims' families. Taylor Swift named Time Magazine's Person of the Year. Italy, only G7 nation to sign up for China's massive infra plan, pulled out. Palestinians in Gaza living in utter deepening horror. United Nations. UK signed treaty with Rwanda to deport illegal migrants. And now some sports news. Mushfiqur Rahim became first Bangladesh batter to be out for obstructing the field. Australian Open, Caroline Wozniacki handed wildcard entry for 2024 event. Paris 2024 Games touted to be a considerable challenge for bomb disposal squad. Rafael Nadal confident he will be competitive on return to tennis. Nadal rejected Kerala footballer M. Viknesh appeal against 2-year ban. Men's Volleyball Club World Championship to begin in Bangalore. And now business-related news. Market scale fresh lifetime highs. Nifty neared 21k level. GST evasion of Rs 1.51 lakh crore detected till October. 71 notices to online gaming companies. No plans to mandate a single charging standard for electric scooters, MOS for heavy industries. Indian economy to be third largest by 2030, S&P Global. 4 states drive 70% of net directed tax, MOP UP in financial year 2023. Change terms of use to reflect Indian law violations, government to big tech companies. Fertilizer sales rose despite patchy monsoon. And that's all in news. Thank you.